Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today's video will be a Jamaican peanut punch. I got my blender right there, and in the blender I'll be putting 1 cup oats, 1 cup whole milk, a cup and a half malt beverage, 4 tablespoons peanut butter, one tablespoon molasses, two tablespoons dark rum, one teaspoon cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon nutmeg, one teaspoon honey, this is optional. That's if you're not allergic to honey. You can use sugar. A 1/4 teaspoon salt. After adding all of those ingredients, cover your blender and hit pulse. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed. You could apply a continuous blend, but I prefer pulse because it makes the blending less noisy. Okay, after you have blended it for a little while, give it a taste test. This is lovely. Tastes magnificent. Now, you could drink the punch like this, or you could refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. That's a choice. So that's how easy it is. I'll get back to you when I'm adding this punch to a glass. See you then. Okay, I've removed the top from my blender, and I'll show the contents in this picture. Oh, lovely it looks. This will control spillage. So now I will pour in the glass. I'll take another taste. How delicious. Tastes so good. Wow. This is lovely. Now I'll garnish it with two cinnamon sticks. Float, 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 float. Want them to float up. Float, baby, float. Okay, they're hardly visible, but that's the garnish. Now, like I say, this can be refrigerated for 2 hours, or you can use crushed ice if you don't want it room temperature. So that's a lovely peanut punch. Economical and very tasty. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for viewing.